Hello and welcome to your course. This course is beginner friendly and it will help you get started with Google Earth Pro. You will learn professionally all you need to know about this software application. So far in the course, in this video series, you'll be able to learn how to navigate Google Earth Pro, how to use the controls, you get to understand the interface better, you get to know how to measure features, distance between 2 points, several points, areas and perimeters of polygons, how to create these features yourself, how to make a simple map, how to save maps in different file formats, KML, KMZ, JPEG, PDF, as the case may be. You also see how to download historical maps, how to download topographic maps of any location. You see how to perform image overlays. So if you have an image, a satellite image or a historic image yourself and you want to overlay it over Google Earth Pro before creating your own map, you see how to do that. You see how to import vector files, raster files, TIF files, shape files, Excel files, CSVs into Google Earth Pro. And then you see how to record a tour as well as any other video ideas that you have as suggestions that come up later. You can drop them in the comment section or contact me via the social media channels in the About page. So, first, to get started, you download Google Earth Pro. Simply search your search engine for Google Earth Pro for PC or Mac. Mine is a PC. And then click on the link earth.google.com. It takes you straight to this point. You can agree and download. If you're having problem with that, then click on this point to take you to CO8 versions and then select Google Earth Pro for desktop, download Pro and desktop. I already have mine downloaded here and set up, so do well to do the same and I'll see you in the next video. Before that, I'll advise you subscribe, turn on post notifications and check back every midday from Monday to Thursday until the end of the course. See you and goodbye. Welcome to Spatial Help.